we're going to be making hot cross buns, but whole food, plant-based, vegan hot cross buns. You just need wholemeal spelt flour into a bowl, coconut sugar straight into a bowl, then add some dried yeast. Now with the dried yeast, you just need to sprinkle it in. It doesn't need soaking. And then we've got some cinnamon, allspice, and a little bit of salt. In it goes. Just give that a stir. So that's our dry ingredients. Then what we want to do, we want to get wet ingredients. And we've got some chia here soaked in some water. And that comes like a gel. And that is to replace eggs. In that goes. We got a cup of plant milk. I'm using bonsai. We need some vanilla, grated orange zest, and sultanas. In they go. Give it a stir. Ideally, you want to place the dry ingredients into wet ingredients because it creates less lumps. Give it a good stir, and then we're going to knead it. Now we want to sprinkle some flour onto the board. Super sticky, and we've got to get it to the point where it's not sticky. It's a nice dry bun. It's a bit too wet, just keep sprinkling on some more flour. Now, once you've kneaded it, put a bit of flour back in the bowl and just pop it in. So cover it with a tea towel and sit it for about an hour in a warm place and it will double in size. Okay, here it is. Come and have a look. It's doubled in size. Pop it on the bench, knock it out. Now we want to turn it into 9 balls. Cup your hand and roll it around. You'll get a nice ball. Then what we want to do, we want to pop them into lined baking tray. Place the tea towel back on and we pop them over in a warm spot again, leave them for another hour till they double in size. Then we want to make the cross, the mixture that goes for the cross. And all it is some water and flour. Mix that together into a paste and that will give us our white cross on top, which we'll do just before we put it in the oven. So the next step is put the slurry into our little piping bag. There we have it, look at these. All done, ready to go up in the oven. And then you just pop them in the oven and we'll let them bake. Okay, they've been in for a little bit. Yum. Oh. Now the next step that we have to do, we just need to brush them with some maple syrup. Just get a brush and brush over the top. And they'll go yummy and sticky and glossy. So there we go. Wholemeal hot cross buns. If you want to learn how to make more recipes like this, just go to my website, ifeelgood.com.au. That's ifeelgood.com.au. Got a free plant-based course on there. Go check it out. Enjoy it. I'll see you there. Happy Easter.